this video I'm going to show you the Jacuzzi JVS270S variable speed pump. And this is the largest horsepower pump in the JVS family of VS pumps. The total horsepower of the JVS270S is 2.7 horsepower. So it would be a great choice for a pool that needs a very powerful variable speed pump. So if your equipment pad is pretty far from your pool, or if you have a large pool, or if you have a pool with water features and an attached spa, the 2.7 horsepower would be a great horsepower rating for you. And the variable speed motor on back is weatherproof. It features a permanent magnet, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. This will ensure that this variable speed pump will be extremely long-lasting. And included with the pump are these 2-inch unions for the inlet and outlet. And also included are the O-rings for the unions. And you can see that the JVS270S has a very large wet end on the pump. It also features a very large pump basket. And inside the pump basket is this mesh bag. This mesh bag is designed to trap leaf debris and keep the impeller from being clogged up. And it simply slides on the front of the pump basket like this. And the mesh bag inside the pump basket is a pretty cool feature. This pump has a Department of Energy WEF rating of 10.1, so it's extremely energy efficient. And the pump comes back by a 2-year manufacturer warranty. But if you're a member of Leslie's Reward program, you'll get a free 5-year extended warranty. It also features this really nice control panel on the back. You can also mount this control panel on the wall if necessary. And I'll show you the programming and operation of the control panel in a separate video, but it features 4 pre-programmed speed buttons. You also have a quick clean timeout mode, and you can also program in 8 different schedules and RPMs for this pump. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up and show you the wiring configuration on back. And the pump has been designed to connect to an automated system. It's been designed to connect directly to any of the Hayward automated systems. You can also connect it to any third-party automated system or controller. And this pump is designed for dual voltage. So if your equipment pad is running off 110 volts or 220 volts, you can easily connect this pump to it regardless of the voltage. And here's a look at the pump wired to a 220 volt breaker. You have the black wire here on line 1, you have a red wire here on line 2, then you have the green ground wire. If you're wiring this pump to a 110 volt breaker, you would put the white neutral wire here on line 2. You can hear how quiet this pump is. Here it is running at 1150 RPMs. Here it is at 1725 RPMs. And here's the pump at 2300. So one of the great design features of this pump is a quiet operation. Another nice feature of this pump, it shows you the RPMs as well as the wattage. You can see here at 1800 RPMs, you're using 261 watts. So the JVS270S features 2.7 horsepower. So if you're in the market for a very powerful variable speed pump for your pool, this would be a perfect pump for you. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.